So the side lengths of right triangle RST are given. Triangle RST is similar to triangle UVW, where X corresponds to V and T correspond to W. What is the value of tan W? So since it is a right similar triangle, so I may have to draw the two separately. Let's say this is the first right triangle, this is the first right triangle, and let's say this is the second, right. So this is the second rightward triangle. Okay, so the first thing is that we're told that the side length of right triangle RST are given. Triangle RST is similar to triangle UV, so I can't just label STU and V until I get, so where S correspond to V and T correspond to U. So what is the value of tan W? Now the challenge is that this is a right triangle, and the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is actually a long side. So that implies that from what we have here, this will be what, 50 what 2. So definitely this is T and what, R. Okay, so that is that about that. So if this is TR, then definitely this will be what, S. So we can fix TS. What is TS or ST? That is 48, and SR in this case will be what, or RS, which is what, 20. So let's move on. Say that the side length of a right triangle blah blah blah, so is similar to RST, is similar to UVW, where S correspond to V. So S correspond to V, so this one will be V, and T correspond to W, this T, so this will be what, W. So definitely this will be U. Okay, so that is, so the question now says what is the value of tan W? So tan W, basically tan W is the same thing as what, tan what, T, because both of them are corresponding. So if you are looking for tan T, that means that this is our reference angle, and if this is our reference angle, this is opposite, right? This is still hypotenuse, and this is what, adjacent. So from the concept of TOA, this is the same thing as TOA. So we can say that what, tan what, W is got to what, opposite over what, over adjacent. So what is the opposite? That is what, 20 over what, adjacent, that is 48. So do we have 20 over 48? Then no, we can still reduce it further. 4 in 20, that is 5, and 4 in 48, that is what, 12. So that is 5 over 12, which is option B. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.